Hey everyone, welcome back to my trading channel. This is your host Paras, and in this video I will review Pengu coin once again. So in the last few weeks when I predicted the price of Pengu coin, I clearly stated the token is about to dump, which means after hitting the highs of 0.045 it will go down in value, and that is exactly what has happened as seen from the chart. So in this video we will analyze the price action of Pengu coin and see how low it can get and when you can or when you should make an entry, so that before the bull run you should be strategically placed so that you can make good profit moving forward. So with that, let's kick off. Let's talk about Pengu coin in this video. So you can see here, as I predicted in my previous videos, this token hit the stagnation at around 0.045, which is actually the big fib retracement resistance, which is the red line right over here, and then you have a second red line which is right over here. So if you draw a fib retracement on a weekly chart, you will see there's a big resistance here, and this was proved in the last run also. During January 2025, this token pumped after TG, then again stagnated at around same level, and the same can be seen in this particular chart also. So in the month of July, it hit the peak and then it started declining. But is it going bearish? I don't think so. It is going bearish. Why? Because it is just pull back to the value. As you can look closely to the chart, you will see here after making the stagnation, it is going down and is actually testing the blue line support level, which is right over here at 0.03. Now, the question is, will it go down more? I think it can go down more, which is your 20 MA right over here, the blue line you can see here, and it can go as low as 0.02. That is my prediction for this token. So what I believe, the path for this token right now is climbing up to 0.045 and then climbing down to 0.03. Maybe it stagnate around here for some time and retest the highs of 0.035 before going down to 0.02. That is quite possible. That is one of the closest prediction I can have, but it can also touch the 20 MA on the weekly chart and bounce back, which means you won't see this token crashing to again all-time low. I don't think it will crash to that level because it is already in a good momentum. You look at the daily chart and you will see here it is still trying to make a bullish flag, which is right over here. Let me show you this flag, and still it is in bullish trend. It is not yet in a bearish trend, but looking at the stagnation, I believe it can go down to 0.02, which is quite possible. So your target range should be between 0.02 and between 0.025. If you want to buy this token, buy at this range, which means at 0.02. So your position should be starting from here, 0.02 to the target of, let's say, 10 cents. That should be a target. And when I say 0.02, you can start dollar cost averaging this token when it started falling below 0.03 level, which is right now the lows of this weekly. So my goal will be to start dollar cost averaging or buying this token heavily when it goes below the level of this one, which is 0.03, the right over here, this one. And when it goes down here, the second buy zone is when it hit this 20 EMA, which is the 20 EMA of weekly. And then the third will be 0.02. So these are my strategic buying positions. I will buy it, then I have to hold it for long term. Of course, it can crash completely also. Nothing can be said about the crypto market, but this token looks quite bullish to me. And again, with the positive outlook, I think this has a good potential. It is very well backed, very well funded, good money in the pocket, and they have good vision also. So my goal will be to buy this token when it crosses below 0.03 and goes to 0.02, which is 2 cents and 3 cents. That is my target. What do you think about your target? Make sure to look at the weekly chart, monthly chart, and daily chart before going into any position. And of course, this should be one of the top pick this season. And comment below, let me know what are your thoughts about this token. Are you buying it? Are you staying it? Or are you holding it, or are you just trading it for fun? Comment below, let me know. With that, I complete my video. If you're liking my analysis, please subscribe, press the bell icon, and let's meet tomorrow in the new video, new content. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.